Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share top 3 best free Microsoft Office alternative of 2021. Let me show you what are the best alternative of Microsoft Office. It is 100% free. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop, I would like to install Microsoft Office. If I am going to download that option, I just open Chrome browser. If I want means from India, it's cost around per month user for the business basic is 125. So I have to pay for the professional and all kind of things. But if I want to download the same kind of Microsoft Office for the alternative means without any cost, I can able to work with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all kind of application. It is 100% free. So what are the alternative there in a Microsoft in a top 3? The first one I would like to share. So I just opened a new tab. So just go to freeoffice.com. So once you go to freeoffice.com, it is 100% free for Mac, Windows and all kind of operating system. It will be there. So I just choose English option. So this is from new free Office 2021, the best alternative to Microsoft Office. So if you want to download, so permanently free to charge with Windows, Mac and Linux. It is a beautiful option. If you want to download, it is a free, 100% free. You can use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, so you can create a beautiful document, and free PDF also is available. So it is easy to access your additional options. So if you want to create Word, Excel, PowerPoint and PDF format, everything will be free. So you can download and try it once. You will love. So without any other cost, you can able to download and get this option. So I have given a description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the free Office. So just click a free download option. Automatically you will get option called free Office. So you can get download and install the free Office without any other cost. So the second option is an Libreoffice. So I just type a Libreoffice in my Google Chrome. So libreoffice.org. So I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the Libreoffice. So this is also free Office, so alternative Microsoft Office. So if you want to download, on the top you will find option called download. So once you click a download Libreoffice, there are the options were given here: Windows, Mac and all kind of Linux. Every operating system will have the access of Libreoffice. If you don't want to purchase that Microsoft Office, you can download and install without any other cost. So ideal for home use, student and non-profit organization can use Libreoffice. So the technology wise, there are given the different kind of Libreoffice. 7.1.7 is a old model, 7.2.2 is the latest one. So you can download and install without any other cost. It is a second tip for you. So if you want to install the application, you want to access the Windows Office, MS Office and PowerPoint presentation without any other cost, means a Libreoffice is the best alternative for the second one. The third one, if you don't want to install any other things, you want to do something else, means just go to your Google account. Your Google account will give docs, sheet and slides. It is a beautiful alternative for Word, Excel, PowerPoint. If you want to create a blank document, if you want to create a blank Excel sheet, if you want to create a Google slides, you want to share with any other people, you want to do some office works, it is a beautiful. Without installing the application in your laptop doesn't have the space, means you can have access for the Google Docs, Google Sheet and Google Slides. It is a top 3 beautiful alternative tool for the Microsoft Office. So you can get free Office from the website, you can download for the free, and Libreoffice you can download from the website called libre.org. You can download from here. You can choose Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, whatever operating system, Mac operating system, Linux, everything will be support here for the Libre as well as the free Office. If you don't want to install any other application, you want to get all kind of documents online, means you can go ahead with the Google Docs to create a blank document and slides as well as the sheet. So it is a beautiful option which is giving from the Google. So use this 3 top variant. Which one you would like to get and access for the alternative, just give the comments in the comment box. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.